how to deactivate Tinder account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Tinder account. So in order to deactivate your Tinder account, all you have to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now you won't be able to do this procedure with the help of an application, so for that you have to log in from your web browser. So type in tinder.com and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to see some sort of interface like this. Now in order to delete or deactivate your account, go to your profile, and from there you'll be able to see statement something like this. Now click the settings icon from there, and after that you'll be taken to the settings page. So here you need to scroll down right to the bottom until you find the option as delete account. When you find delete options, just tap the delete account button, and then a pop-up menu appears with the two different options, that is either to hide your account or to delete your account. Hiding your account is similar to deactivation, deleting your account permanently. So you can select either one of it, and you need to enter in the passcode and whatsoever. That's going to deactivate your Tinder account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.